Can you tell from the thing behind me where we are today? We are back again at Universal Studios. It's been 8 years since we were able to come here. So Universal Studios Florida, thank you for welcoming us back. Let's go and have a great time today. We started off our adventure with some character sightings. Do you know the name of the movie these two starred in? Drop it down in the comments below.
Oh, I win.
We're coming back for you. We'll be back, Optimus. And as we're sitting waiting for the Revenge of the Mummy, we have some fine friends. They're kind of tall guys. And they're always nice and muscular, which we appreciate as well. Just in case you can't see them, let me zoom in. What's up, guy? What's up? Oh, yeah. We love Universal. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Post up, boy, post up. Spontaneous dance party just broke out. So we're going on the Curse of the Mummy. That's the name of it. We're in the express lane, but we haven't been moving very much. Maybe the ride went down. We'll see. We must be getting closer. I hear that there's this mission for the Allspark, so I'm going to help the Transformers out just really quick. I'll be back. I just picked up my battle glasses. We are getting ready to go check out the Bourne Spectacular. I hear it is an excellent show. Let's get through this queue here and check it out. I just got finished with the Bourne Stuntacular. That was a fabulous show. Now I'm gonna say this. I'm not hating on the show because it was spectacular. But you file into this room and there's like 1,000 people on top of one another. And they tell you move forward, move forward, move forward, move forward. You keep having to move forward, and then you stand there for about 25 minutes. So that if you have any issues with mobility or being in tight spaces like that, that's tough. But the show is spectacular. Now let me show you where we are, what we're having for lunch. We are in the Minions Cafe. Isn't this cute? Very cute theming, and the tables are yellow. Lots of fun, and the food looks surprisingly good. I'm going to show you in just a bit. Here is my lunch. This is the udon noodle soup. Doesn't that look delicious? I am very much looking forward to tasting that. I think it looks wonderful. And then I have dessert. It's a pet rock.
Love noodles, love noodles.
All right. My soup looks so delicious. Let's try this. I'm tasting the broth first. Delicious, very flavorful. Not salty, but full of good flavor. And noodles.
Yes.
This is delicious. You wouldn't believe how good this tastes coming from the Minion Cafe. All right, excuse me while I have my lunch. This is a thumbs up.
Okay. Can I cut it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm cutting Timothy. Oh, maybe I'm not. Oh, shoot. Timothy hard. Timothy. Ooh, Timothy.
What's it look like inside?
Just like.
Oh.
Ice cream.
What is it? Is it mousse?
So it's hold on. It's peanut butter, mousse. Yeah, I don't know. It's peanut butter mousse. No. What's the word?
Here is one last look at the Minions Cafe before we leave. I thought this was so cool, so neat. It looks like such a kiddie, cartoony place, but the food was really good and the AC was cold. Fast and Furious Supercharged, everybody's least favorite ride, right over there. But we're headed to Escape from Green Guts. I don't know if you can see the shark over there. This used to be our favorite ride. Get away. Look at the double-decker bus. But we're headed over to Green Guts. Me too. This is just like a whole other world. No wonder we've never been in here before. Wow. I've never been in here.
Yeah, I know. That's why when you kept saying you rode the ride and you described something completely different. This was here?
This is amazing. You come through here and look at it.
Inside they do butterbeer. It's where you guys.
Wow. Never been back here. All the times that we've been to Universal, I've just never been back here. Didn't even know it was back here. This is incredible. Love it. We are now in the queue for Escape from Green Guts. Look at just even the chandeliers. You can tell already, this is going to be wonderful.
The keys.
Well, I moved them. All you have to do is ask. Accio keys.
How did you get in here? We haven't seen
Well,
you.
don't let me keep you from your tour. I just need to pick up a few things and I'll be on my way. You haven't seen me. Station to go to Islands of Adventure. Yeah.
Hey guys. really is just one train.
Over in Islands of Adventure, of course, after we have taken the train. Walking through this part, it's a little after 6 p.m. The sun is behind a cloud and there's a nice breeze and it feels wonderful.
So this is how we cut through to get to it. So just go and take a look at it. And I want to.
We're gonna go take a look at this VelociCoaster. I'm looking at it and it looks terrible. What do you think? How does that look to you? I know it looks to me like no. What about you?
So that looks like the
We're supposed to ride that. We have a wait time of like 7:50. I am not looking forward to it. We all know that they are going to be revamping over here and getting us some new rides. So we wonder what it'll be.
This is Mythos.
Mythos Restaurant.
10 times there, Chilean sea bass. Oh my God. Steak.
I wonder what you're gonna look like at home. The middle between us and mom. Come on, speed it up.
Seuss Landing, y'all. No. Tiff.
Because I love y'all so much, I'm taking you on a shortcut.
Now we're in like Marvel Landing. And we're going to head over to Spider-Man. I'm looking forward to Spider-Man. That has always been a fun ride. And watch out what seat you sit in because Spider-Man could jump on you and make you scream. Let's go do Spider-Man.
Apparently, we have 7 Mitchell coming to us live from Wall Street. In a city of tumult and turmoil, the
Mr. Jameson, the scoop is a state-of-the-art high-powered heat.
All right, Spider-Man was just like it always is. So much fun. I guess we're headed over to the Hulk now. I'm nervous about it, but let's go. We are leaving Islands of Adventure after riding the Hulk, which I might add was lots of fun. It was better than I ever thought. The park closes at 8 o'clock, so we're out of here. And it was so much fun. I would do this again and again before a cruise. We had a great time. 2 days probably wasn't enough for 3 parks. Our feet are tired, but we had a wonderful time. Thanks for joining me. Thanks so much for watching. Watch the entire series. We started off with heading to Universal City Walk. We did Islands of Adventure, Universal Studios, as well as Epic Universe. Next, we are headed on the Carnival Venezia for 11 days of fun. Thanks for joining us, and we will catch you at the next adventure.